students, and welcome back to Maths. Last time you have finished with the lesson Roman numerals. Now today we are going to start with a new lesson. Now you know Roman numerals you have studied. You know how numbers are very important for us. We need to learn to read as well as to write. Last year you have learned about reading and writing the numbers from up to 4 and 5 digits. So this year you are going to learn from 6 and 7 digit numbers. So let's begin with the lesson number work. But before that, let's try to revise certain things. What last year you have learned, we will try to revise. Now in your textbook, problem set number 2 is there. In that, revision has been done from last year's work. Let's try to revise the first question. Okay. Now here it is asked using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write 10 each of 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers. So from 0 to 9 the numbers are given to you and you have to make out of these numbers 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. Each of the digits you have to make around 10 numbers. Like for example, I will write here 2-digit number of 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the numbers, total numbers. Okay, so from this what you have to do is that you have to make 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. 5 digits means there will be 5 numbers in one number. Okay, so 2-digit, out of this you can make any numbers, like for example 1 and 2 you can take 12, then you can take 3 and 0, 30, you can take 6 and 5 or 5 and 6 and so on. So you have to make any numbers out of this, at least 10 numbers each of the 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit. Fine. So like that you have to make any 2-digit number, any 3-digit number, any 4-digit number, any 5-digit number. So 2-digit I have shown you. You can not only make this, whatever I have written, you yourself have to write any 2-digit numbers. Fine. Now 3-digit number, how you can write? It has to have 3 digits in the number. Like for example, I will take any random numbers here, 4, 7 and 9. 4, 7, 9. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits in one number. Okay, 3 digits in one number. That is 479. Fine. Then you can take any number like 201. Okay, 201. So like that you have to make how many? You have to make 10 numbers of 3 digit also. Then 4 digit. 4 digit means, okay, so 4 digit means there will be 4 numbers in one number. Okay, 4 digits in one number. So I will take around 1, 4, 3, 0. Okay, this is one number. Then you can take any other number, 7, 6, 2, 3, any numbers like that. Okay, and make 10 numbers of 4 digit. Is that clear, students? So this, what you are going to do is that you are supposed to write this in your Maths CW. Okay, which is very easy. You have to write on your own. This question I am not going to give any answer. You are supposed to write this. Fine. Then you can make 5 digits also, 10 numbers. So like I will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One number. Then like that you have to make how many? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another number. So like that, this is one number, 2 number, like that you have to go on writing 10 numbers of each of 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit. Okay, you have to complete this. Is that clear? Because you have learned this in the previous class. So this is regarding the first question. Now we will go for the second question. Second question is fill in the blanks in the table below. So here there is a table given in which the first column has Devanagari numerals. Devanagari means Marathi. Then international numerals, that means how internationally they are read. Then and numbers written in words. Okay, for example, the first number is 2359. Okay, it is written in Devanagari as well as international. So we have here Devanagari number. First number is, when you are reading in Devanagari, you will read it as 2359. Okay, you will read it as 2359. Okay, and in English, how you are supposed to read? You know that 9 is in units place, 5 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousand place. So how you are going to read? 2359. 2359. So how you are supposed to write now? You will write it as 2359. 2000, you have to even remember the spelling of 100, 1000, all the numbers. Is that clear, students? Because for so many years you all are doing these spellings. You have to remember this. Okay, so how you are writing? 2000. Okay, 2300. 300 and 50. FIFTY 59. Okay, so you will write it as like this. When you are writing, you will be writing, and when you are reading, you will be reading it as 2359. Let's take now the second example. Okay, second example is a 5-digit number. Second example is a 5-digit number. Okay, second example is 32,000. Okay, here it was only 2000 or 2000. Now here one more number has increased because this is 5-digit number now. So therefore, this will become 30. This is in place of 30. So in Marathi we call it as 30. So 30, 31, 32. Okay, so 32,756. Okay, 32,756. Now, when you are writing it in English, how you are supposed to write, or in international numerals, you will write the same way whatever is given here. That is, only thing 3 you will write it as 3 like this, 2, 7 you are going to write like this, 5 and 6. Fine. So, how you are supposed to read now? First you know that this is units place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, then this is, okay, I will write it here, tens, this is units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay, so how you are supposed to read now? This is 6 units, so 6, 5 tens means 50, 700 means 700, 2,000 means 2,000, and 3 10,000 means 30,000. Fine. So that you have learned last year. So how you are going to read it now? This will be 32,756. Okay, 32,756. So when you are writing, how you will write? The same way how you have written here. But here it was 4 digit. So you have taken 2 here. Now this is 32. Okay, what you are supposed to write now here? 32,000, 30, THIRTY, 32, okay, 32,000, THOUSAND, 32,700, HUNDRED 100 50 56. Okay, 756. Fine, so 32,756. Okay, and also you can write here 32,756. You are supposed to write like this. Okay, now the next one is not given. The Devanagari numerals is not given, but international numerals is given. International numeral is given like this. 6, 7, 8, 5, 9. So again this is the 5-digit number. Again if you recall here, this is in units place, this is in tens place, hundreds place, thousands and 10,000. So the number will be read as 67,859. 67,859. The same way you are supposed to write here. And in Devanagari, how you are supposed to write? The same way you have to write. Only thing, these numbers, 6 you will write it as 6 like this, 7 you are going to write like this, comma, 8 you are going to write like this, 5 you are going to write like this, and 9 you are going to write like this. So this is how you are supposed to write in Devanagari, and of course I expect you to write this answer, that is 67,859. Okay, and other questions, that is question number 4 and 5, you are going to do in your textbook itself. Is that clear, student? So this is the second question. Now let's go for the third one now. Okay. The next question is, as a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Zilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in words. So what you have to do, you just have to read the numbers as well as write them in words. So I'll show you 2 of them, others you are going to write. Okay, so first let us try to read the first one, that is of the Kopargaon. Okay, so here if you see, it is a 5-digit number. All are 5-digit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are 5-digit numbers. Okay, so what you have to do is that start reading from, count the numbers and then start. So this is your unit place. Okay, this is your unit place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousand place, and this is 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So 10,000 here in place of 10,000 is 1. So that means it is 10 only. Plus this 2 becomes 12. Okay, 12,700. Okay, 40. 4 into 10 is 40. And here in unit place is 0. So that means 40 only you will say it. So what? How you are going to read it? 12,740. Okay, and how you are supposed to write it? First one, that is Kopargaon, 12,000, 12, okay, TWELPE, 12,000, THOUSAND, 1,000, okay, 12,700, 700, HUNDRED, 100, okay, 140, okay, 740. So this is the first answer. Okay, second one, again it is a 5-digit number. So this is unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So this is 28,000. In place of 100 there is 0. So that means you are not going to say it as 0, 100. You will directly say 28,095. Okay, you are going to say like this, 28,095. So second answer will be 28, okay, 20, TWENTY, 28,090, sorry, 28,000, 1,095. 95. Is that clear, students? So this way you are supposed to write. Whereas the next one I will read, but you will write it in your notebook. 31,608. Okay, 31,608. Where this is 10,972. 10,972. Okay, dear student. So this is the third question, and this is only revision what we are doing. Okay, next time we will start with the new next topic. Okay, now let's go for the fourth question. Now the fourth question is, how many rupees do they make? So this also you have learnt last year about counting of the notes, right? Now the first question is 20 notes of 1000 rupees. Okay, there are how many notes? 20 notes of 1000. Okay, 20 notes of 1000 rupees, comma, then 5 notes of 100. 5 notes of 100. 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. How we are supposed to write this? So 20 notes of 1000. Now for example, now you have one note of 1000. So it will be how much? It will be 1000. If it is two notes, there are two notes of 1000. How you will count it as 1000 plus 1000, it will become 2000. Correct enough? Then again one more note. Three notes will be 1000 plus 1000, 2000 plus 1000, 3000. Then if it is 1000 plus 1000, 2000 plus 1000, 3000 plus 1000, 4000. So like that you are going to read? No, because it will take a lot of time. So instead of counting that many times, you have to multiply them. How you will do this? You have to multiply 20 multiplied by 1000. What you will do? You will do 20 multiplied by 1000. Okay, 20 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to, how much it comes to? What you have to do? Simple. You just have to do these two numbers multiply. 2 into 1 becomes 2. Okay, and the number of zeros, whatever number of zeros are there, you are just going to write it here. So this is 1 here and 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it becomes how much now? It becomes 20,000. It becomes 20,000 rupees. Okay, it becomes 20,000 rupees. When you have 20 notes of 1000, that means it is 20,000. Okay, 20 notes of 1000, that means it is 20,000. Now let's take another one, that is 5 notes of 100 rupees. Again 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. It becomes how much? 500. Correct, no? 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 becomes 500. So instead of adding, again you will do what? Multiplication. 5 multiplied by 100 you will do. Okay. So now again 5 ones are 5 you have to write. 5 ones are 5 and these two zeros, it comes to 500 rupees. Okay. Where you will write? You will not write it here. You will write here. Because we have to add them finally. Because we have to find the total. So to find the total we have to add them. So I will write it here under these three zeros. 500, because this is of unit, tens, 100. So unit, tens, 500. Correct now? So rupees. Now the last one. And 14 notes of 10 rupees. So 14 notes of 10 rupees will be 14 multiplied by 10. So 14 multiplied by 10 is 14. Ones are 14. Okay. And this one 0. Okay, so it becomes 140 rupees. 140 rupees. Now we have to count what? The total amount. How we can count them or calculate them? By just adding all these numbers together. So how much it comes to? 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 plus 0 plus 4 becomes 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. and 5 plus 1 is 6. What is remaining here? There is nothing, only 0 is there. So you put here 0 and this becomes 2. So altogether how many rupees total comes to? It comes to, okay, 20,640. So it comes to 20,640. Right? 40. Okay. So this is the first one. For you, you have to do the second one. That is 15 notes of 1000 rupees. Okay. 12 notes of 100 rupees. 8 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupee. Okay. Coins also very easy. 5 multiplied by 1 become 5 rupees. Fine. Now this is also very simple. What you have to do? You have to do this way. First multiply how many notes are there with the exact number of the money. Okay. Then you have to, after multiplying, you have to write it like this, equal to the total amount. Finally, you will get these numbers. You have to go on adding them and find the total money. Is that clear, students? So you have to do like this. Second one you will do from here. Next one, next question we will go for. Next question is, write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. So what you have to do, you have there are 5 digits given. Okay. So from these 5-digit number, you will have to make a number. Okay. 5-digit numbers only you have to make. One the biggest and second one the smallest. Is that clear, students? So I will write the numbers and then we will write the biggest as well as the smallest number. So these are the digits, and from these digits we have to make the biggest as well as the smallest. So you have learned in the lower classes that to make the biggest digit number, always we have to write the first number as the biggest number, and the first number, biggest number is 7 here. So the number will start with 7. Then the next biggest number is 5. So 5 will come. Next one is 4. Next is 3. And then finally is 0. So this will be the biggest 5-digit number. Whereas which will be the smallest number? Now actually if you go to see, smallest number is 0 here. But can 5-digit number start with a 0? No, it cannot start. So you will have to choose a number which is little bigger as compared to that of 0 but smaller than other numbers. So like that we have 3 as the smaller number as compared to that of other numbers. 3 is the smaller and 0 is the smallest, but we cannot start a 5-digit number with 0. Therefore 0 will come in the second position here. That is 3, 0. Then you will take little bigger one, that is 5. Then still bigger, and finally is the biggest number here, last, finally. Okay, so this is your smallest number and this is your biggest number. From the numbers which are given here, 5 digits which are given here, from that we can make the biggest number 5 digit and smallest 5 digit. Only thing, 0, you have to be very careful when there is a 0. The number, if it was 4 digit, then it would have started with 0. But since it is asked 5 digit, we cannot put a 0 in front here because only 5 numbers are given. So we cannot put 0 in the first place and then 3. So we have to start with 3 first, then 0, 4, 5, 7. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now finally the last question, what you have to do is that based on whatever we have learned, the last question is there. Okay, I'll just read out and then you can I'll try to make you understand what it is. Fine. Now the 6th question is, the names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer questions that follow. Okay, so here information is given about the different places and the population of all the places is given. So there are altogether 9 places given and their data is also given there. So you have to find out, you have to answer these questions. The first question is, which place has the greatest population? So you have to find out the number which is the greatest among all the 9 numbers. Is that clear, student? What is its population? Okay, so this you will answer. Next question, which place Morwada or Morgaon has the greater population? So this also you have to write the answer. And finally, which place has the smallest population and how much is it? Okay, so I hope so you have understood what we have learned today. What you are going to do is that you will write this directly in your notebook. Don't wait for me to give the answers. Of course I will give the answers, but you all start writing the number word, write the heading, okay, and revision whatever I have told now taught today, that you are going to write, and write the problem set number 2. Is that clear, students? So complete your homework. I will send the answers after some time. Is that clear? Thank you very much.